Combined with the template approach, Surfer can help small businesses compete with bigger companies who have bigger budgets and probably an actual SEO staff.
Welcome to the Simple and Smart SEO Show podcast, where we talk all things brand building SEO, helping you connect with your audience, elevate your visibility, and grow your business. I'm your host, Krista Waddell, here to bridge the gap between SEO strategy and real-world business success. Whether you're an entrepreneur, marketer, or SEO enthusiast, this is your place to learn, share, and build a brand that stands out. So grab a coffee or your favorite tea, and let's dive into smarter SEO for your business.
Well, hey guys, welcome back to our Shopify series from strategy to action. I am so glad that you've joined me for the past few episodes. And today we are getting into the final installment. I hope you've been feeling more empowered and confident in each step. Today we're wrapping up with something super tactical. And if you've been around for a while, you know I love me some Surfer SEO. And today we're going to talk about using Surfer SEO to optimize your Shopify pages. Whether you're working on a blog post, a product description, or even a collection page intro, Surfer gives you keyword prompts and content structure in real time. So let's break down exactly how to use it. Surfer analyzes the top results in Google for a keyword and the topic cluster that it belongs to. It shows you the average word count, keywords, and headings that high-ranking pages use. Surfer also gives you a content score as you write or edit. What I love about Surfer is you don't have to guess what to write about or how long the content should be. Surfer lays it all out for you. So let's talk about where to use Surfer SEO in Shopify. Most people think that blog posts are where it's at with Surfer. And for many use cases, I would agree with that. But where I love to use Surfer is all throughout Shopify in product pages, collection pages, and even your homepage or about page content. When you use Surfer for collection page descriptions, these are often short, but Surfer can help you use the right phrases. On product pages, you can use Surfer to enhance product descriptions with relevant keywords while keeping your tone buyer focused. And then on your homepage or about page content, if you want to rank for branded or niche terms, this is a great place to use them. Combined with the template approach that we talked about in the previous episode, Surfer can help small businesses compete with bigger companies who have bigger budgets and probably an actual SEO staff. So let's talk about step-by-step using Surfer for a collection page. Ideally, you'll want to have done a little bit of keyword research, but you'll log into Surfer SEO and create a new content editor. You'll enter a keyword like personal retirement gifts or gifts for dog moms. You'll let Surfer pull up the data and you'll get the following: a target word count, a suggested keyword list, and competitor analysis. And then you can write your intro paragraph for the collection page directly in Surfer or paste it in. And the best part is you get to watch your content score update as you add relevant keywords and structure. One of my favorite things about Surfer is they have this gas gauge. So as you improve the content structure, you move from an empty red tank to a green full tank. And here's a pro tip. Even a short paragraph that's like 50 to 100 words that uses 3 to 4 suggested keywords can boost your visibility. And just like the other episodes, if you want a step-by-step guide with prompts, examples, and space to draft your copy, grab my Surfer SEO workbook for Shopify. It's only $7, and inside you're going to get how to use Surfer SEO for blog posts and collection pages, plug and play content prompts, space to write your content and track your scores, tips for choosing keywords that fit your niche, and you can grab it at simpleandsmartseo.com/workbook and take your content from good to Google loved. So something I really love about Surfer is that Surfer SEO is like having a coach in your corner while you write. It takes the guesswork out of optimization and it shows you how to compete even against big brands. So to wrap up our series, we started with mindset. We set up your tech stack. We optimized images. We improved your page templates. And now we've leveled up your content game. You've got everything you need to start building visibility with intention. If you haven't already, go grab the Shopify SEO Action Kit bundle. It includes all 5 downloads and bonuses to make SEO sustainable. Thanks for being here. And remember, visibility is a skill. Keep growing. And if you've loved this and you want a little bit more support and accountability on a weekly basis, I'd love for you to join the SEO squad. You can find more information at simpleandsmartseo.com. See you next time.